Your wife was already in here today, Paul.
Was she? What'd she get? Oh, I'm hoping.
Your stuff.
Yeah, we had to send out a lot of stuff recently, man. I went crazy on the eBay thing.
I've done them online. Yeah, a couple of them. Usually it's just like one case of like the same thing.
Yeah, I decided to do mixers instead of a whole case, just to give some variety.
Did you get good feedback?
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Heritage ones, I had like 1,000.
First one, so you know.
I got lucky I got the Phillies.
Yep.
It was like, okay.
Oh, you got lucky you got the Phillies?
Yeah.
You're a Philly fan.
Come on, computer.
Because guys he's like, oh, I just normally send people out to hits. I'm like, I'll take all of them because the Phillies do them.
Yeah.
And then what somebody might consider a hit, might not consider. What I said.
Right. Some people just. Yeah, give her back.
All right, now we're going to start the teams.
Anytime I get back after card by 4.
So what do you do? You're gonna do the randomizer thing?
Right now we're doing the random.
I usually just keep the players I like to.
Not far from the Titanic. Some strip malls. Right there.
Randomize.
They were doing they call it.
I need an alias because just if the guys at work, I told them that I'm going to buy a car. So.
Oh. All right. John today, huh? All righty, so for the first break, the following people get these teams. So Paul has the Cardinals, Braden has the Cubs, Corey has the Giants, Andrew has the Nationals, Chad has the Marlins, Steph has the Royals, Zach has the Dodgers, Christopher has the Phillies, Dave has the Angels, Brian, you got the Pirates,
Yay.
Paul, you got the Brewers, Deb got the Rays, Jen got the Reds, Hank, you got the Mariners, Rachel, you got the Mets, Brandon got the Rangers, Paul, you got the A's, Becky got the Astros, John got the Rockies, Bob got the Indians, Chris got the Blue Jays, Dan got the Tigers, Linda got the Diamondbacks, Josh got the Red Sox, Dina got the White Sox, Jason got the Padres.
Oh, he did.
Scott, you got the Twins, Tim got the Braves, Jared got the Orioles, and Lee got the Yankees. So what do you want me to start with? The 2018 Bowman?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll start with the 2018 Bowman. All right. So everybody remember the teams they got?
Angels. I mean Pirates.
That's really good.
From 18.
Yeah, you can get a lot of things from 18. You guys see that right up there? Is that good enough? You got Davis, Andrew. There's a Bryce. Yep. McMahon, Williams, Frazier. There's a Trout for him. I see purple coming up here, guys. Pete Alonso. No, he's with the Mets.
Oh, it's a Met.
It's a Met. Pete Alonso, number to 250.
Anybody here have a Met?
I forget who has the Mets. Brandon McKay, that would have been a big hit last year. Refractor. Now we're in the Chromes. Lots of. And then Melroy. Base. So you have the Pete Alonso there as the big card in that pack. There's another Philly. Cardinals. There's a Dodger rookie. Victor Robles. Sale, Blackman, Judge. Refractor of James Nelson. JD. Birthday boy. Refractor. So no autos out of the first two packs. Will Smith. Another Pete base. I forgot Pete was in this one.
Giving out the base cards too.
Yeah, everything's going. Base cards, everything. That's why I said it'll take a little longer to sort through it and get it. So, Stroman, Dansby, Reese Hoskins for the Phillies. Bellinger. Refractor.
Who's that?
Sixto Sanchez.
Yeah, good one.
Poop. And then for the Indians, Bobby Bradley to 250. Hunter Gleyber Torres. Nothing too big in that one.
So how many autos are in the box?
3 autos in the box, so we should be hitting some here soon. Dustin Fowler. Goldsmith. Ozzy Albies into the refractors. Mike Sporka. It's a nice little him and his.
Any auto?
Phillies. Someone in here with the Phillies? Spencer Howard. Philly. It's not numbered, it's just a regular refractor. So there's the first one. Refractor. TJ. Another Will Smith. Another Torres.
Last year?
Miguel Andujar. Pujols. Seen what, 1 Trout so far? We got some color coming up here, guys. Gorez, Sandy, I can never say his name, to $4.99. You got a chance. Adams for the Yankees. Astros. Yeah, Tatis Jr. refractor. Chrome.
Just on the injured list today. I just saw it now, I can't remember.
Then his regular card.
On the same pack.
Yeah. Smith, Machado. Otani. Remember, this was the Otani Super Refractor chase. Ronald Acuna for the Braves. And a Victor for Rookie of the Year favorites. And we have Gordon for Double-A, Lewis, some talented prospects. Phillies Chrome. And Minnesota at the end. So we're halfway through this box. Two more autos to find here, guys. Lewis. Andujar. Pujols.
Front door.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, good, how about you?
Good. Indoor. So we're into the chrome. Riley Pint. Another Jimenez for the White Sox talent, pipeline talent. Vlad Jr.
Big one.
for the Blue Jays. Got Chrome Elroy. Cole Regans. I don't remember Vlad being in 2018 boxes. Sanchez. Another Otani. Bueller. So we have Mitch Keller. Twins. Birthday for Hoskins. Burns. White. A Chrome Alonso. Gordon. So 4 packs left. Hopefully there's 2 autos left in this.
Yeah, sometimes they don't have enough.
Well, the nice thing is it's been open right online, so they can't argue anything. Freeman. There's a Devers. Kuna Chrome. Austin Riley. Calhoun. Auto for the Mets. Jordan Humphrey. This is numbered to 4. This is numbered to 499. Justin. All right. Well, there's been some in there. You got Bueller. Now into the Chromes. Vlad Jr. Bowman Trenches. Braves pipeline. Acuna is the main guy on there. If you guys can't see it, let me know because there's a numbered Nick Prado. Brian, we'll get you a couple Pirates in here, don't worry.
You're right, there's the one crap in that whole box.
So far, yeah. Which is good from a coloration perspective. There's another Devers. It was a Pirate.
I can't say it. Who is it?
McCutcheons.
Okay.
There's Harper. There's another Trout. Reagans. Buxton. There you go.
There you go.
Pirates auto. Luis Escobar.
Escobar.
It's not numbered, so it's just a regular.
Cool.
Soto. Chrome.
Yeah, Steve.
Alright, down to the last pack here. Yes, YouTube.
Yeah, so there's on YouTube.
Paul to John.
Alright, thanks.
Hohen's Clayton Kershaw. Josh Bell, there you go, another Pirate.
Thought you might be trash.
Smith. And that's going to be pretty much it here for 2008. That's it for the 2008 Bowman. Get these.
Nothing on here, that's right.
No, we don't need that. So we'll change it up and go to tiered 1 next. Get that going here. So here we're going to get 2 autos. Right on top. I can't see without my readers. Luke Volt, auto.
What team's that?
Yankees. Number to 250.
Yeah.
A patch for the Indians, Yonder. Patch for the Indians. Auto, Travis Shaw for the Brewers to 299. Indians lucked out there. We'll go to Pro Debut next. Anybody in here have the Indians? Alright. Now, I'm not good with the minor league to major league teams, so we'll figure these out then as we go. Again, we'll find 2 autos and 2 memorabilias here. Baez, Gores, Welker. Really looking for Tatis again. And there is a possible Trout auto in here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a 10-year anniversary for Trout auto is possible. And we have fragments from the farm. Green Jackets. Infield base used at the stadium. Not sure what minor league team it's with. Augusta Green Jackets. So anybody know who that is?
Single A. Coolwater, there you go.
Nelson. Green. You said that was the Giants got that one?
Yeah, against the Green Jackets, San Francisco Giants. Single A.
And Carolina Mudcats uniforms. It's a nice looking uniform. So there's the one memorabilia. Hank, did you hear what you got?
Did I get anything?
Oh,
The Mariners?
is that who you had?
Yeah. I don't even know anybody on the Mariners. You can let me know if I get any Mariners. I'll pick them up next time through.
There's an autograph for Will Banfield of Miami, the Gulf Coast League Marlins. So I'm assuming it's probably Marlins.
Front door.
I see some uniform for U.S. Soccer Night. Bowling Green Hot Kids. I don't know enough of these players, so.
Yeah,
There you go. Vlad Jr.
that's a good one.
Blue Jays are doing pretty decent here. Franco. That's a nice pack with
Alec Ball, that's Phillies need, gotta be their third baseman, that guy there. Is that the Lehigh Valley, right?
Gulf Coast League.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Brian McKay. Jimenez on the back here. Tatis. Chris Bryant when he was with the Iowa Cubs. And Jimenez. So one for Tatis and one Vlad. Austin Riley.
Good one.
Evan White. Michael Chavez. For those Red Sox fans in the area. Oh, we got an auto and a relic yet to hit out of this box. Kevin Smith. It's Williamsport Law Enforcement Night. Brendan Davis, nothing really there. So if you had the same case of everything, you get very boring
Yeah.
doing a
Yeah.
like Sinai. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't remember seeing any Senators in here yet either. There's Senators cards in here. Pete Alonso.
Player of the day.
Hmm. Oh, we got a relic. Fragments of the Farm for Daniel Johnson for the Harrisburg Senators. Just so it's from the stadium map from FMV Field. Just talked about him.
Yeah.
And just
Scripted that one.
so we know this one's a national.
You're doing all right, buddy. You good?
Said here the Nationals.
Yeah.
Oh.
I got some heartburn and some throatness. It's a boom, yeah.
Yeah. So you just have one more auto here. Paddock. Zoo Night for the Columbus. Oh, we have the autograph. I'll move that to the back. Sean Murphy. For the Senators again.
Yeah.
Carter Kaboom.
Kaboom. Good one, dude. Nice. You knew that was coming, didn't you? You said that.
I said we didn't see Senators, so.
Of all the minor league teams.
Alright, so Mickey.
Thank you very much.
Taylor Winder for the Jackson Generals. Stencil. McCormick Field. And the last pack here. Dylan Cease. There's a. Alright, that was it for the pro debut. So, talking about the Senators, and they all of a sudden show up. We'll do the Topps Archive. Anybody want to take a guess of at least the team of this card? If Jason would be here, he'd say it'd be Charlie Hayes. It's a one card. Right, Paul, you'd say it's Charlie Hayes.
Told me about that Franco earlier, by the way.
For the Giants, Matt Williams,
That's good.
number 299. He told you the Franco I pulled.
Yeah.
And the last box is the 2019 Bowman Jumbo.
Robertson out the entire 2020 season.
So if Nationals have been taking a good bit here then.
Yeah, National was good for him. That's awesome right there.
Start off with the Bellinger. There's a Pirate for you. Chris Archer. Otani. Some Chrome. Logan. Casey Mize. Ready for the show? Yes, he is ready for the show. He's been lighting it up this year. Jordan down in... Oh, first auto. Kansas City. Gabriel Cancel. So base auto. Is it me or is and then we get to the refractors. Padres. Mesa. Let's see, who else?
There are 3 in this box too.
Yep, 3 in us. So we have a Nationals here, a Pirates here, Indians and Mets.
Indians.
Did we say Mets? I don't remember who has who.
Did Zach get in?
Yeah, Zach's in.
Zach, who do you got? Huh? What team? Dodgers.
Dodgers. Seen a Bellinger so far, that's about it.
Yeah, so yeah.
Favorite rookie, Chance. Yankees. There's a Trout. No, it's not a real auto. I would be a little more
Would have
excited.
been very close.
There's a Bo Bichette. Chrome. Elroy. Nick Stencil. Chris Bryant. There's another. This will be the box of Trout probably, since we didn't see any in the last one. White Sox. Got a Rockies. Brendan Rodgers. Color for the Phillies. Alex Braun. 125.
Maybe the Phillies guy will trade me for the Pirates.
There's a Franco. This camera keeps moving on me. So I'm going to make you guys dizzy for a little bit. If I just move it this way, I'm done with it. Marlins. There's another Pirate for you. Kuna. Soto. I don't remember seeing many Sotos either. Blue Jays again. Chrome. Talent for the D-backs. Okay. A lot of Brahms in here. Vlad Jr. Right on top for you, Brian.
What's that?
Right on top. 2 in a row.
Oh, man.
We're on a run. Judge. That was the first Judge I've
Yeah.
seen.
Hadn't been many Yankees, has it?
Braves. Mets. Honeywell for the Rays. Auto. Royals. Anybody here with the Royals? Sean O'Hearn. Number to 150.
The second Royal.
Yeah, the other auto. Yeah, both the autos in this box have been Royals.
Gotta make those fans happy somehow.
There's a Peter Alonso. He shortened his name. Another Bo. There's another Braum. That's our second auto already out of this box. One more to find.
There's no relics with autos in it?
Just autos. Bowman doesn't do relics,
Oh, that's true.
so. Castillo. JD. Altuve. There's a Franco refractor. There's Carter Kaboom. There you go.
All the rolling auto, Senator sign.
Lewis Padres. Cabrera for the Cardinals. We should start calling him Kaboom. Look, another Kaboom.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Is that the same card?
No, the other was the base. This is a relic.
That's in a caboose store.
Another Peter Alonso. Another Carter Kaboom.
Oh, another car.
Kaboom.
Rolled up in car.
So here are the hits that we had. Go through them one last time. You have Brady Singer for the Royals. You had a Franco refractor. You have Gabriel Cancel for the Royals. You have Ryan O'Hearn for the Royals. We'll post the final video then as well. I don't know why it's not coming up then. You got the San Francisco Giants auto Matt Williams. Carter Kaboom auto. Another Nationals for the Senators, Daniel Johnson. Who did we say this was? The auto for Will Bankford. Helmet Ramos. Then we have our Tier 1. Travis Shaw for the Brewers. The Indians, Encarnacion, Yonder Wander. Auto for the Yankees, Holt. Pirates auto, Luis Escobar. Pipeline for the Kuna. You have Vlad. Mets auto, Jordan Humphreys. Another Vlad. Pull the Otani. Spencer Phillies, Howard, and Pete Alonso, 250. That's it for this break. We'll be back in a few minutes with the second break.